Japanese-inspired charred black look for timber has exploded in popularity due to its unique and stylish appearance. It's being used by architects, builders and landscapers alike to create an eye-catching and contemporary design for both residential and commercial spaces. You can now achieve this aesthetic. Intergrain's durable and striking charred black timber stain. For this video, we'll show you just how easy it is to transform and protect a simple retaining wall. But first, here's what you'll need. Intergrain Charred Black Timber Stain, Intergrain UltraPrep Timber Cleaner, a paintbrush and a tray, flat blade stirrer, a stiff bristle brush, a bucket and a hose, and your safety gear. In order to remove surface contaminants and help restore weathered, grey, mould or mildew affected timber, start by mixing 1 part Intergrain UltraPrep Timber Cleaner to 4 parts water. Start by wetting the timber surface with water. Apply the mixture generously to the timber with a stiff bristle brush. Scrub vigorously and leave for 10 to 15 minutes, but never allow it to dry. Then rinse off using maximum pressure from a garden hose or a high pressure cleaner. Allow the timber to dry for at least an hour before applying your stain. Pro tip: if required, give your timber a light sand before cleaning to ensure a smooth and even finish. If working with new timber, first treat it with Intergrain UltraPrep tannin and oil remover before cleaning so you can stain right away. Now let's talk about the star of the show. This exceptionally durable stain provides high performance protection against the effects of UV and weathering and is guaranteed never to peel, flake or blister. Stir thoroughly before and during use with a flat blade stirrer. Then using a paintbrush or spray, apply the stain in long strokes following the direction of the grain and working in sections. Don't overspread or apply too thinly, as insufficient film thickness will result in lap marks and compromise the performance and durability. Refer to the label for recoat times based on your conditions before applying your second coat. And there you have it. Transform your vertical surfaces including cladding, screening, fencing, doors and railings with the rich deep black colour that's sure to impress. Enjoy the process, embrace your craftsmanship and create something truly remarkable with Intergrain's Charred Black Timber Stain.